Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Hedera, we are trading at 0.06208. 24-hour volume, we're up 12.43%, and market cap, we're up 0.05%. Heading over to the chart here again, we're going to go over 4 time intervals: 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. Heading already into our 1 week chart, we can see that we've had huge selling pressures here in this candlestick and the previous candlesticks as well. We are hoping again to retrace closer to the 0.0656 area in order to find a reversal and a really nice support area is shown. If we take a look at our RSI, again, we are considered to be oversold at our K line at 1% and our D line at 17%. As soon as we see these two lines cross over under the 20%, then a buying opportunity may present itself. If we take a look at our histograms too, it's not helping us in this downtrend as we are seeing very minimal or very small MACD histograms itself. And of course, the MACD and signal line itself is closing in together. So in an area of confluence here of the volume coming down into an area of support, we may actually break through the support and continuation of HBAR to come down even further. If we were to take an area or look at areas of influence or convergence here, basically seeing if there is any price attraction that the price is going to lead to. By pulling out our fib chart, we can see that there is fairly sparsely done, but what we can see is an area of resistance is here at 0.0674. So as soon as for the price for on a weekly chart, this is an area that we should be watching for an alert at 0.0581. If we are going to be breaking this area of support, then unfortunately for Hedera, we are going to retrace even further down. If we take a look at the Bollinger Bands too, they are closing in and potentially squeezing in as well. So a retest over 20 MA is urgent for Hedera in order to find a reversal of this downtrend. Going into a daily chart here, we do see that the RSI itself is retracing closer to 80% to be considered to be overbought. And we can see the characteristics of our candlesticks in this downtrend, continuously making higher lows and again, lower lows as well as the price is coming into an accumulation phase. If we take a look at the MACD indicator, we are anticipating on a daily average that we do see a crossover as this trend for the bear trend may soon be over. If we take a look again using our fib charts for areas of confluence to see if there is going to be areas where price is going to retrace to or want to attract is simply from here, area of convergence from 61% to our 50%. So price is going to come back and retest this area of 0.0640. Heading over to our 2-hour chart itself, this is not going to help us as we see this huge candlestick with a very long wick that's twice the size of the body, which is essentially a shooting star candlestick observed at the uptrend, which essentially says the uptrend is exhausted and may come down to a reversal part. If we take a look already from this retracement level as high as this 0.0635, already there's a few candlesticks on the left-hand side that does stick out to us as an area of resistance. Not only that, but we saw a crossover of our RSI at the very top here considered to be overbought and also a selling opportunity. As price is going to come back down, we're going to take out our fib chart once again to see areas of retracements. And already we can see a few candlesticks bouncing from 78% of our fib, which is 608. As the trend for our MACD is slowing down, we may see this a little sooner than we hope to. And lastly, for our short traders here for 30 minutes, again, this uptrend itself did not have enough volume to support the uptrend. So again, we are looking for short trades here. We do see 1, 2 candlesticks at the very bottom here. Bottom wick was barely anything there. Again, huge selling pressure that we're seeing in the next couple of hours for Hedera. We're going to take a look if there is any areas of convergence where price is hopefully going to bounce. And we are most likely going to bounce from here 78 to 100% as price is retracing. If we take a look at our MACD indicator, we do see a crossover, a potential crossover, and depending on how big the histograms are or simply these bars at the very bottom, we may not hold this area and we may come down shooting for 0.0602. So that's my video here for Hedera, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button to support the channel, and I'll see you next time.